Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Srinivas. I am going to explain a problem on public population forecasting problem. First of all, I am going to read the question. Okay, the population of 5 decades for 1960 to 2000 are given below. Find the population after 1, 2, and 3 decades beyond the last known last known and you indicate by using arithmetical increase method, geometrical increase method, and incremental increase method. Okay, three methods and using to calculate the population. Year and population: 1960 25,000, 1970 28,000, 1980 34,000, 1990 42,000, 2000 47,000. Okay, this is a question given. Okay, friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos. Okay, now draw a table or before calculation. Okay, arithmetical method. First of all, pn plus nd, this is a formula. Okay, first decades, how many decades is given in question? 3 decades, first, second, third. So 2000, 2002, 2010, one decade. 10 to 20, second decade. 10 to 20 to 30, third decade. Okay, 3 decades first. Okay, this is a formula. P equals to pn plus nd. P equals to pn plus nd. This is a formula for arithmetical method. Okay, pn is last population, 2000 population. I'm taking 47,000 plus first decade, 1 into n equals to 1 into 5,000 differences. See here. Okay, please observe the table. Year, population, increase in population per decade, percentage increase population, incremental increase in population per decade. Okay, first of all, 28,000 minus 25,000 equals to 3,000. Okay, 34,000 minus 28,000 6,000, 42,000 minus 34,000 8,000, 47,000 minus 42,000 5,000. These are the increased population for decade to decade. Okay, this is percentage means 3,000 by this is 3,000 by 25,000 into 100, then you got 12%. Okay, next is 6,000 by 28,000, 6,000 by 28,000. It's okay. Okay, this is at 21.43, 23.53%, 11.90%. These are the percentage of adding this 4, 3,000, 9,000, sorry, 3,000, 6,000, 8,000, 5,000, adding 23,000 by 4. 1 2 3 4, 4 means 4 dividing, taking average 5,500 is average, and here percentage also I'm taking average. Okay, then 17.215, this is per average percentage, and this is 3 decades. This is 3 decades. 3 decades I'm taking plus 3000 plus 2000 minus 3000. I'm getting 2000, and 2000 is divided with 3. 2000 is divided with 3, then you got 6.67. Okay, 66% here. Average is 666.67. Okay, arithmetical reasoning. The D's depth, D's differences between two populations. Here population, the has 5000. I'm going to take 5000 as D. Then first decade 52,500, second year 58,000, and third decade 63,500. Okay, geometrical increase method. Same thing, as formula is P equals to P of 1 plus or 100 of n whole power n. Okay, this is formula. P population is 2000 is 40,000 47,000 of 1 plus r is average rate of our in the average percentage 17.215. 215 is taking as r value by 100. N is 1. N is the first decade is 55,092. Second 64,575, and third decade 75,692. And third formula, incremental increase method. Incremental increase method. The formula is P equals to P of P plus of D plus incremental increase method into n. Then this value is taken from here. See here, 66.67 is equal to 6667. Okay, this value came from minusing this to 6000 minus 3000 plus 6000 minus 2000. But 8000 minus 6000 plus 2000, 5000 minus 8000 minus 3000. So 3000 plus 3000 plus 4000 cancel, and 2000 is divided with 3, then you go at 66.67. Okay, the value is taken as incremental method. Then the form 47,000 plus 5,500 plus 667 of into 1. Then first year got 53,000, second year got 59,000, and third year I got 65,000. Okay, it's a formula based problem. Okay, this is a chart, arithmetical, geometrical, and incremental increase method. The three values are given below. Okay, thank you for watching. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.